Today let's see about the abdominal aorta. So the abdominal aorta is the continuation of the thoracic aorta. So the beginning of the abdominal aorta is the midline, that is the aortic opening of the diaphragm, opposite to the lower border of T12 vertebra. Regarding the course of the abdominal aorta, it runs downwards slightly to the left in front of the lumbar vertebrae, and the termination of the abdominal aorta is in front of the lower part of the body of L4 vertebra, that is 1.25 centimeter left of the median plane. It terminates into right common iliac artery and left common iliac artery. This is about the beginning course and the termination of the abdominal aorta. Next we shall see about the branches of the abdominal aorta. So there are ventral branches, lateral branches, dorsal branches and terminal branches. First let's see about the ventral branches. The ventral branches are the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery and inferior mesenteric artery. The lateral branches are the right and left inferior phrenic artery, right and left middle suprarenal artery, right and left renal artery and right and left testicular or ovarian artery, that is gonadal arteries. Regarding the dorsal branches, there are 4 pairs of lumbar arteries and a median sacral artery. That is not a pair, it is an unpaired median sacral artery. Next, the terminal branches. The terminal branches are the right common iliac artery and left common iliac artery. Now let's see the branches of the abdominal aorta in this diagram. So first the ventral branches. What are the ventral branches? The celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery and the inferior mesenteric artery. The celiac trunk gives rise to branches to stomach, liver and spleen. That is, the branches of the celiac trunk are left gastric artery, common hepatic artery and splenic branches. The branches of the superior mesenteric artery are inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery, middle colic, right colic and ileocolic arteries. So the branches of the inferior mesenteric artery are left colic and sigmoidal arteries. Next is about the lateral branches. So the lateral branches are the inferior phrenic artery, middle suprarenal artery, renal artery and the gonadal arteries, that is the testicular or ovarian arteries. First let's see about the inferior phrenic artery. This is the inferior phrenic artery. It gives off, that is the right and left inferior phrenic artery gives off 2 to 3 branches of superior suprarenal arteries. Look here, this is the superior suprarenal arteries. And the inferior phrenic artery runs upwards to the corresponding crura of the diaphragm. Next is the middle suprarenal artery. The middle suprarenal artery passes laterally. It crosses the crura of the diaphragm and reaches the suprarenal gland. Next is about the renal arteries. The renal arteries are larger. So the renal arteries, the right renal artery travels behind the inferior vena cava to reach the right kidney. And the renal artery gives a branch, that is the inferior suprarenal artery. Next is about the gonadal or testicular arteries. They are small and they arise in front of the aorta, a little below the origin of the renal arteries. So they are the testicular artery or the ovarian arteries. Next we shall see about the dorsal branches. They are the lumbar arteries. Look here, the 4 pairs of lumbar arteries. So the lumbar arteries, they arise from the aorta, that is opposite to the body of upper 4 lumbar vertebrae. Next is the median sacral artery. This is the median sacral artery. It is the continuation of the primitive dorsal aorta. That is, it arises from the back of the aorta, just above the bifurcation of the abdominal aorta into common iliac arteries. So, these are the dorsal branches. Next is the terminal branches. The terminal branches are the right and left common iliac arteries. For easy remembrance of the branches of the abdominal aorta, we shall remember as a mnemonic story. Listen carefully. Selene is in charge and supervisor of mess. She informed Freni to make lunch for Reni, Govind, Supriya, Sashi in the common hall. Selene is in charge and supervisor of mess. Selene represents celiac trunk. In charge, inferior mesenteric artery. Supervisor, superior mesenteric artery. Mess refers to mesenteric arteries. She informed Freni to make lunch. Informed Freni, inferior phrenic artery. Lunch denotes lumbar arteries. Reni, renal artery. Govind, gonadal artery. Supriya, suprarenal artery, middle suprarenal artery. Sashi, median sacral artery. And common hall, common refers to common iliac arteries. Right and left common iliac arteries.